we are working on alternative conflict resolution mechanism that will help us to reduce the number of conflicts in labor and labor relations. So that will address that particular problem. We will have an alternative conflict resolution mechanism so that we reduce the time we are going to court, we reduce the time we are fighting on the streets. We will have appropriate institution, a structure which will act before we go to court. How do we minimize the risk of going into conflict with different stakeholders? But to be very fair with Kenyan population, we are doing our first induction. We will assess this situation and come up with appropriate answer once we are at the position once we are well informed. We will share with you appropriate decision we are going to take as a committee